Hello, our friends. Get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Himiko Toga. Hopefully I said that right. Okay, so I'm going to lay this out because this is a whole figure and I need to make sure my proportions are right. There we go. Okay, so to start with, we're going to do the head, and she has got a mess of crazy hair. So we're going to just start by drawing a slanted line like so, and then from that slanted line we're going to draw a little piece of hair coming down like that, and then from that hair we have like a V that's going to come back up, and then she's got her bang lines here like that, and she's got some angry eyes, so just a line. There we go. Little thing for the nose, and I think she's screaming here. She's definitely not looking very happy. And she's got some teeth below. All right. And then she's got another piece of hair that comes down here. And then we've got, it almost looks like little, I don't know what those are. I'm sure the anime people could tell me. All right, and we've got some hair coming out here and some hairs coming out here. Are, and then on this side, same thing. We got some little curvy things coming out like that. All right, and I think we've got her face. All right, and I think her face is a little more round, maybe not so pointy. Okay, now's the neck. So two little lines right there, very tiny. And we have a little curvy line there. And then we have her collar that comes down, and it comes diagonally in like so. And she's got a little stripe on this side, and then it connects up with the top. Then we have a little triangle here with the little ties on it, and then there's a little red scarf thing that comes down. Okay, then we've got the bottom of the sweater, and the sweater's kind of baggy, so it kind of comes down, curves around a little bit, and then there's a pocket here, doink, doink, doink. And then on this side, it kind of does the same thing. It comes down, comes out, and then just comes back in like so. Little sweater thing. There we go. Then her skirt is under there, and it's just a bunch of rectangles to make the pleated skirt like so. And then we've got some little fingers, little sense of that. And then you have the sleeves that come up like that. And then we've got the sleeve over here that comes down right there. Oh, I think that was a little long. I will make this into her fingers. There we go. All right. Then we got her legs. I think I made her a little chunky. She's a little bit skinnier than that. All right. sock line, a little curvy line, and she's got a little mark for her kneecap. And then we've got the other leg. Comes down. And the outside. And it comes back out and down. And we've got the shoe. Comes across. Back. Like that. And it's got like a line here. And then we've got the, there we go. We gotta straighten that up a little bit. All right. She's quite a character. All right, now she's standing on the ground. And hey, if you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.